It is a beautiful evening. The sun is setting softly, birds are chirping, and children are playing happily in the park. On a wooden bench, a kind old grandmother is sitting with a walking stick in her hand and a gentle smile on her face. A few children slowly gather around her. Some are holding ice creams, some have footballs, and some sit quietly, curious to hear a story. Grandma looks at them lovingly and says,
Children, we all heard many stories when we were young. Some from our grandmothers, some from school books, and some from cartoons we watched on TV.
The children listen carefully. She continues,
These stories were not only for fun, they taught us important lessons about life.
The children ask together excitedly. Grandma replies softly.
Today, I will tell you one such lovely story.
Which story, Grandma?
Grandma replies softly.
The story of the thirsty crow.
Yay!
A long time ago, it was a very hot summer day. The sun was shining brightly and the land was dry. A black crow named Kalu was flying in the sky. He was very thirsty. His throat was dry and he felt weak. I need water, Kalu said sadly. He flew over fields, trees, and houses looking for water, but he could not find even a single drop. Just when he was about to lose hope, he saw an old earthen pot under a tree. Kalu quickly flew down and looked inside the pot. There was water inside, but the water level was very low. Kalu tried to drink the water by putting his beak inside the pot, but the water was too far down. He tried again and again, but failed. Feeling tired and sad, Kalu sat beside the pot. What should I do now? He thought. If I don't drink water, I will become very weak. Suddenly, Kalu noticed some small stones lying on the ground. An idea came into his mind. His eyes lit up with hope. Why not drop these stones into the pot? He thought. Kalu picked up one stone and dropped it into the pot. Plop! The water rose a little. Kalu became excited. He dropped another stone and another and another. Plop, plop, plop. With each stone, the water level slowly came up. Kalu did not give up. Even though he was tired, he kept working patiently. Just a little more, he encouraged himself. Finally, the water reached the top of the pot. Kalu happily put his beak into the pot and drank the water. Ah, this water tastes so sweet, he said with relief. His thirst was gone, he felt fresh, happy, and full of energy again. Kalu looked at the pot and smiled proudly. I did it, he said. I did not give up and I used my brain. Then Kalu flew back into the sky, happy and strong.
So, my dear children, this story teaches us an important lesson. When problems come into our life, we should not panic or give up. If we stay calm, think wisely, and work patiently, we can always find a solution. The crow was very smart,
I will be smart like the crow.
and that is why the crow is known for its intelligence. Where there is a will, there is a way. Intelligence and patience can solve even the biggest problems. Are you all having a wonderful time?
Yay!
That's right, my child. I love seeing you all so happy.